and let there be light, and there was light. Hi guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lexi Wangu. In case you're new here, karibu. Please join the family by clicking on that subscription button, notification bell as well, so you don't miss out on new videos from me. So what are we talking about today? Today we're going to be doing a product review, and I'm going to be doing a Garnier Skin Active Even and Matte Vitamin C Booster Serum review. This product here, manze, this product, let me tell you guys, this is the third bottle in a span of 3 months. So that means I've been using this product a bottle a month. I mean, that is how good this product is, and I haven't even been using it daily. I've been using it 3 times a week. Yeah, 3 times a week, once a day. Yes, this is not a sponsored video, by the way. It's just an honest feedback and an honest opinion about a good product which has transformed my skin. As you guys can clearly see, my forehead, let me just look at myself on the mirror. Even though my forehead is not where I want it to be, but whatever was happening on my forehead, just I don't know, I'll put a video somewhere here where my forehead had rashes, and I don't know what to call them because I didn't go to a dermatologist to get diagnosed, but I've been using this product ever since. Maybe it's the salicylic acid in it. This product has transformed my skin in a good way. Alright, so one thing I like about this product is it really does what it says it does. It says it's an anti-dark marks efficiency. What is efficiency? Inaandikwa hivi, efficiency. Lexi, for real? It's written like, what's that word? Maybe nimesijui Kizungu, but I don't know what word.
Efficacy.
Lexi, stop it, please. Anyway, it claims to, you know, anti-dark marks from day 6. Like, it fades away. You'll see results after 6 days. What I can say is, ever since I started using this product, I have noticed my skin tone is more even. I don't know how better I can explain that, but my skin tone is just much better. Yeah, my skin tone is more evened out. Like, how can I explain it? Like, you know, when your skin is uneven, you have like unbalanced skin tone. Like, the color of your skin, you have some parts that are a bit dark, some parts that are a bit bright. But when I look at my skin right now, my skin honestly is evened out. Like, I just love how my skin is. Another thing that I've noticed about this product after applying it is it really makes my skin so smooth and so soft. My texture, yes, that's the word. My texture has kind of gotten smoother within the period of time that I've used this product, and that is a plus for me because who doesn't want a smooth skin, you know? Something else that I like about this product is I've noticed that every time I apply this product, the visibility of my enlarged pores honestly shrinks. Not like shrink kabisa mpaka skin inakuwa kama a baby's butt, no, but those guys who have oily skin, you understand what I'm saying. Our pores are usually, especially when you wake up in the morning, unaamka and you're like, what happened over it? Like, nilikuwa najidunga vitu or what? Like, you just wake up and your pores are just so enlarged and you're like, what's not happening, man? What's not happening? So when I use this product, every time, let's say I apply it, after 2 to 3 hours, I usually notice that my pores have, you know, kind of reduced. Not like completely shrunk, but they have reduced. I guess this is because of the niacinamide in it, because niacinamide is known for that. It also has salicylic acid in it, so I'm guessing this is the reason why my forehead, you know, it's kind of behaving, because salicylic acid is known to reduce the amount, or rather control the amount of oil production on your skin. And my forehead, my goodness, sijui venye mafuta imepanda bei. Sometimes I usually feel like I can just squeeze the oil out of my forehead and just use it to, you know, do other things, but that is how much oily my forehead usually is. And something else is, it doesn't, like, you know, vitamin C is known to be unstable and oxidizes very quickly, especially when exposed to different elements like weather, temperature, and all sorts of that. But what I've noticed about this product is it doesn't oxidize as fast as other vitamin C. I don't know why, because this one, let me show you guys how this product looks. So this is how this vitamin C looks like. Yeah, it's milky. Like, that is how it looks. Normal Garnier vitamin C scent. Yeah, it has fragrance, if I'm not wrong. All I can say is it does get the job done, and so it's something that I will purchase again. It has worked for me. It's a good product. I'm honestly, because this one actually it's almost over. Now I'm seeing myself purchasing another bottle. So Garnier, thank you so much for an amazing product. Your vitamin C is mwah. I think I'm done. What else can I say about this product? It's generally a good product. It does the work. My skin is more even, my texture is smoother, I usually get the glow. I mean, what else can I ask for from a vitamin C? Anyway guys, yeah, if you use this product as well, please pale chini kwa comments, leave your comments, let me know your experience with this product. And before I forget, the package is written the product makes your skin sensitive to the sun, so whenever you use this product, please follow it up with an SPF. Here it's indicated that you follow it up with a sunscreen of at least 15 SPF. Why do I always want to say FPS, frames per seconds? SPF. I usually use 50% SPF, but that's my choice. You can use 15, 30, 50. It doesn't matter. Just make sure you protect your skin during the day. Do not skip your sunscreen. And yeah, that was it for today guys. I hope you learned a thing or two. I've really tried to make this very quick and precise and to the point, because I'm going to be shooting something next for you guys. And anyway, yeah, until next time, see you in the next video. Na kama kawaida tunazimanga stima kwa hii channel, so I still don't have someone who kunizimia stima. So adios, bye bye, kwaherini. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.